Dear users, if you want to calculate your age, you can search tingotools.com on Google or any other search engine. Here you will see the link here, and you can click it and it will lead to the age calculator. And here you can select your date of birth and such that here 1990 and the age from which you want to calculate. So you can see that we are calculating from 20th April, and you can use calculate, and here you can see the total age is given. And if you want to use the current age as the date, so you can use the use today button and it will show you the current date. So 27th April is the current date, and now we will check. So here you can see that 35 years 10 months and 21 days old, and it will also tell you your total age in months, that is 430 months, and weeks, days, hours, and the total minutes you have spent on this planet, and the next milestone, and the days remaining from your next birth date. And here the brief introduction of age calculator is given, and you can check that how old am I today, and guidelines about how age is calculated and why birth date matters, that it matters in different official matters, and admission to school, army, or any college, university, or for government or any other specific job or recruitment. And you can also check with the help of this calculator that how old was I on a specific date, and how old will be you in future in 2050. And you can also calculate your age in days, weeks, and months, and you can understand the age calculating formula, and it will also remove the confusion that you face while calculating your age manually. And it will also guide you, this article will also guide you about different cultures such as this Nepali date system and Gregorian calendar and other type of calendars. And it will also guide you about the common mistakes when calculating age manually. And here in the end we have frequently asked questions such as what is the difference between completed age and running age, and can I use an age calculator for official purposes, and the final thoughts. So here you can see you can also search other calculators such as AFT calculator that is used for army fitness test, and other things that would be uploaded on this site such as PDF editor and other PDF tools and other useful tools. Thank you.